Lining it up, there's the toss. Oh, man, Lyle, what do we call that? An accident. All right, we're going to get Colton back up here on his second throw. Third throw. Here he is currently at 6 points. Come on, Colton. Blue team needs this. There it is. Coming in with 3 points, bringing him to a total of 9. Now we got Big Ben up here currently at 5 points. Ben, you need a 4 to tie and a bullseye to win. Here he goes. There's the throw. Oh, that's all right. Maybe next time. Let's get him up here on the blue team. Your winner.
Colton, my hero!
Nice job, Colton. You see James over there putting 5 points on that blue team scoreboard, putting that blue team in the lead. But don't worry, this competition is far from over. We're gonna jump right into our next Whoa! Lyle! I see you standing back here with this huge saw. What is that thing?
This is my my 2-man crosscut saw.
A 2-man crosscut saw. What are you gonna do with that?
Me and Benny are gonna put on a 2-man crosscut saw competition.
Competition? How about it? You all want to see a competition?
Yeah!
What do you think?
I think it's gonna be 2 lumberjacks against 2 lumberjerks.
Looks like we got competition underway. Now these saws are the real deal. 72 razor sharp teeth all the way up and down the blade. They're gonna start pulling and tugging back and forth. Hey! What are you doing, Lyle? You're cheating over here.
It's a safety cut.
Safety cut? Is he allowed to do that?
Yeah, so the saw doesn't jump out of the wood.
You know what, Lyle? You gotta make a good point. Here at the Canadian Lumberjacks, we believe in safety. Colton, go ahead and put that safety cut in. Thanks for bringing that to my attention, Lyle. I appreciate it. Hey! Colton, that's way too deep. Now you're cheating.
No, we're just being super safe.
Got a point. All right, this is how it's gonna happen. From the middle, all the way over. These are your guys on the red team. Come on, scream and shout. Let them hear ya.
Yeah!
Ooh, that's a tough crowd, Lyle. From the middle, all the way over to the other side. You'll be rooting for that blue team. Let's hear it.
Blue team!
Oh yeah, that's what we like to hear. All right, so what we're gonna do is count them down. It's gonna go 3, 2, 1, go. Let's everyone practice that. I want to hear you. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, hey, hey! Lyle, what are you doing?
You said everybody practice, so we practice.
Not you, the audience. You stay put. All right, now that no one's cheating, let's get this thing going. Here we go, everyone with me. What's going on? Colton, buddy, what's wrong?
I got a pain
A pain where?
in my lower back in the lumbar region.
Can you fix it?
I think I can.
You got it? All right, let's get this thing underway. Here we go, let's count them down. 3, 2, 1.